Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Others Reviews. Hey guys, today I'm going to be reviewing the what's it called? The Victorinox Army Swiss knife. The actually pink one. This is my sister's, that's why it's pink. But she's kind enough to let me borrow it. I also got a red one too, if I can stop throwing it around. See? Red one. It's got the cross. So yeah, let's see what it has on here. It has a little key ring. A little toothpick. And tweezers right here. Alright, and the first thing we're going to look at is the scissors. And they're just some small little scissors. And I got this like laminated green paper. Let's just see if I can cut this. I know I can. Whoa, that is sharp. So yeah, they can cut that. And then it's got a nail file right here. And a little flathead screwdriver. And then let's put this down. Ow, that hurt, guys. Sorry. I'm just trying to put this stuff back. I'll leave the scissors out. I don't know why. This is the knife. It is stainless steel. Okay, yeah, it is pretty sharp. Let's see, it's about, I don't know, it's not that big, not too small, so yeah, there's that. Ooh, this is cool. I like the handling, even though it's pink, it's a manly color. Like, yeah, you can see through it, it's cool. See those rivets there. So yeah, that's that knife review. I hope you enjoyed it. So yeah, please leave a like and subscribe and comment what I should do for my next video. So yeah, see you guys later. Peace.